Happy birthday to you. Oh, I can't remember it because I got the happy birthday to me and you're 102. Oh. Happy birthday to you. Oh. And 102. Oh. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh yeah. Wait. Go away.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh! Oh, let me start the recording. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Funny.
Who was saying happy birthday to, Ben?
No. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Nandy. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray!
Hey Jean, many happy returns. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I'm sure Patrick will fuss over you and treat you very nice. A lovely meal and maybe a few glasses of wine. So many happy returns. And
I like you, Nanny, because you're so nice. We do it sometimes at the start. We go, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Don't sit on me. Sit here. Come over here.
We just had to adjust the camera because I'm too tall. That's never happened before.
It's soccer. This holidays, I went to the hospital, went to Papa, and went biking.
Happy birthday, Mum. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it doesn't make you cry too much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nanny. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! And what I've done for soccer what I've done for the holidays is play soccer for 4 days, and I really liked it.
We love you.